Okay, welcome to my channel Maths with Mahantisa. Children, today let us discuss few important questions on the chapter your exponent and radical. Last time we were discussing many questions on your what chapter? That is understanding quadrilateral. So today let us discuss few important questions on the chapter exponent and radical. See, which is a very important chapter. Let us see. Suppose you are given a question, say 5 to the power x plus 5 to the power x plus 1 equal to 150. This is given. If then find what will be the value of 2x to the power 1 by x. Find the value. Find the value of, if you are given, this is the given exponential equation. Find the value of 2x to the power 1 by x. Now children, let us see how to find it. Now to find it, first we have to definitely solve. We have to definitely solve this exponential equation, and first we have to find the value of x. Because if the value of x is not found, we cannot find what will be the value of 2x to the power 1 by x. Now the point is, how can we find the value of x? See, in order to solve this particular question, see, we are given 5 to the power x plus 5 to the power x plus 1 equal to 150. Now, this 5 to the power x can be written as 5 to the power x into 1. Now, 5 to the power x plus 1. This will be written as 5 to the power x into 5 to the power 1. Why? You know the law of exponent, first law of exponent, x to the power m into x to the power n equal to x to the power m plus n. So, if it is in the form x to the power m plus n, then it will be written as what? It will be written x to the power m into x to the power n. Okay? So, using the first law of exponent, 5 to the power x plus 1 will be written in this form. Okay. Now, this is equal to 150. Now, what will be the next step? Now, look at 5 to the power x and 5 to the power x. It is multiplied by 1 here and 5 to the power 1 here in the second term. So, we can take common 5 to the power x. Okay. Let us take common 5 to the power x. So, what will be left here? 1. And what will be left here? 5 to the power 1, that is 5. So, it is 150. Now, 5 plus 1 is how much? 6. 6 into 5 to the power x equal to 150. So, first take 6 to the right hand side because 6 is a constant. Okay. So, 5 to the power x into 6 will be 150. So, 5 to the power x, what will be its value? It will be 1 by 50. 150 by 6, that is 25. See. So, on reducing this exponential equation has been reduced into the form 5 to the power x equal to 25. Now, what is the next step? The next step is, look at, if 5 to the power x is 25, in order to solve any exponential equation, what is the main step? The main thing is, we have to make the base same both the sides. The base must be same in both the sides. So, here it is 25. And look at the exponential term in the LHS, left hand side. It is 5 to the power x. So, what is the base here? 5. So, this 25 must be expressed as power of what? I mean with base 5, this 25 must be expressed. So, let us express 25 with base 5. You know, if we express 25 as base 5, it will be 5 to the power 2. 5 to the power 2 is 25. Now, look at the base is same both the sides. Now, as the base is same both the sides, so what will happen? Their power will automatically, exponent will automatically become equal. So, x will be equal to 2. As base is same both sides, x will be equal to 2. Now, we got the value of x. Now, we can easily find out what will be, therefore, you see, now we can easily find out what will be the value of 2x to the power 1 by x. Now, you put the value 2 into 2 whole to the power 1 by 2. See? So, 2 into 2 is 4. 4 to the power 1 by 2 and 4 to the power 1 by 2. 4 you express 2 to the power 2 whole to the power 1 by 2. Now you omit the bracket, and to omit the bracket, these 2 and 1 by 2 will be multiplied. So 2 multiplied by 1 by 2, 2 to cancel, it will be 2 to the power 1 which is 2. See. So 2x to the power 1 by x, the value of x is 2. Just you put here 2 into 2, 4, 4 to the power 1 by 2. So it will be 2. That means, if this is the given exponential equation, then the value of 2x to the power 1 by x will be equal to 2. Okay. So children, I hope you understood. Let me discuss another question. Suppose a question is given like this. Suppose you are given a question like this: 5 to the power x plus 5 to the power x plus 1 plus 5 to the power x plus 2 equal to 775. So what is the value of x? Find the value of x if this is the given exponential equation. So how to do? We will proceed in a similar manner. See, now this is 5 to the power x means it is 5 to the power x into 1. Now this is 5 to the power x plus 1. So it will be 5 to the power x into 5 to the power 1. This will be 5 to the power x into 5 to the power 2. 5 to the power x plus 2 means 5 to the power x into 5 to the power 2. So it will be 775. Okay. Now, as 5 to the power x has been multiplied by each term in the left hand side, so we can take 5 to the power x common. Let us take common. So it is 5 to the power x. So it is 1 plus 5 plus it will be 25. So this is 775. Okay. Now 25 plus 5 plus 1 it is 31. So 5 to the power x will be equal to into 31 will be equal to 775. Now you find the value of 5 to the power x. Now to find the value of 5 to the power x, this 31 must be taken to the right hand side, and if it goes to the right hand side it will be divided as it has been multiplied in the left hand side. So it is 775 divided by 31. So what will be the answer? It will be 25. The quotient will be 25. Now 5 to the power x is 25. So again, now this 25 we have to express as base 5 because in the left hand side the base is 5 and we have to make the base same both the sides. So if 25 is expressed with base 5 or as base 5, it will be 5 to the power 2. See, so now 5 to the power x is 5 to the power 2 equal to, so they are equal as the base is same both the sides, their exponent will also be same. That means x will be 2. So this will be the solution. So x equal to 2 will be the solution of this given exponential equation. That means x equal to 2 will satisfy the given exponential equation. Children, I hope you understood. Now, let me discuss another question. Suppose you are given a question like this. Find the value of, you see, this is another type question. Find the value of, suppose 8 to the power, you see, 8 to the power 7 by 3 minus 8 to the power 10 by 3 whole divided by 8 to the power 5 by 3. See. So how to find out? How to find the value of, this is an exponential expression. So how to evaluate it and how to find the value? Let me discuss. Actually this type of question, see, this type of question can be solved in many ways. Okay. Let me tell one of the ways which is very simple. See, this one can be written as, you see, this given exponential expression can be written as 8 to the power 7 by 3 by 8 to the power 5 by 3 minus 8 to the power 10 by 3 divided by 8 to the power 5 by 3. Why? Now the question is why? Why can we write this type of exponential expression in this form? What is the reason? The reason is, you know the formula. Suppose you are given x, you see, suppose you are given x minus y by z. This is a given algebraic expression. Suppose. So x minus y by z. How to write it? It can be written as x to the power z minus y to the power z. So using this formula, this exponential expression can be written in this form. Okay. Now what is the next step? Now look at this. This is the ratio of two exponential terms having same base 8. And you know, if two exponential terms have the same base and they are divided, their exponent gets or powers get subtracted. So you know the formula x to the power n by x to the power n equal to x to the power m minus n. That formula we will apply here. Okay. Now applying this law of exponent, now this will be equal to your 8 to the power 5 by 3 minus 7 by 3 minus 5 by 3. Then minus, again here also the base is same. Look at 8. So these two powers will be subtracted. So it will be 8 to the power 10 by 3 minus Your 5 by 3. Okay. Now this will be 8 to the power 7 by 3 minus 5 by 3. It will be 2 by 3. And 10 by 3 minus 5 by 3, it is 5 by 3. Okay. Now look at. Here the exponent is 3. Look at, the exponent is 2 by 3. And what is the base? The base is 8. So we have to now express 8 with base 2 and exponent 3. That means we have to express this base 8 as an exponential term whose exponent must be 3. So 8 can be written as 2 to the power 3 whole to the power 2 by 3. Here also 8 can be written as 2 to the power 3 whole to the power 5 by 3. Now you omit the bracket. How you omit the bracket? Multiply 3 into 2 by 3 minus 3 into 5 by 3. See? Now 3 cancel. 3 cancel. It is 2 to the power 2 minus 2 to the power 5. 2 to the power 2 is how much? It is 4. 2 to the power 5 is 32. So what will be the answer? 4 minus 32 will be minus 28. You see. So minus 20 will be the value of this expression. I did this one in this manner. It can also be done in several ways. Okay. This is one of the ways. I just tried to explain how to evaluate this type of exponential expression. Children, I hope whatever I discussed in this particular class you must have understood, if at all it is true, and if you think yes, the way Mohanty sir explains, he explains very nicely and we are able to understand everything, then you please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Okay, so we shall discuss more problems in the next class. Thank you.